right, hello everyone. Welcome back to day 3 of Intro to Rubik's Cubes. Today we're going to be talking about how to solve the second layer. So I will be sharing my screen and showing you guys. Okay, so. All right, so again, I'm gonna break it down into steps. Step 1, we have to find an edge that doesn't have a green piece in it. Now, if you can recall from the previous 2 days, an edge has 2 colors. Number 2, make sure it's in the optimal position. Again, like yesterday, I will be showing you guys some images on what to look for in the optimal position. Number 3, place the edge corresponding to a center, matching one of the edge colors. Sorry about the typo. Again, I'll discuss that in the next slide. And number 4 is to place the edge in. So scenarios where the corner, again, sorry for the typo, where the edge is in the optimal position. So here in these first 2 pictures, the white, we are finding the white and orange edge and putting it in this right corner, whereas in this one we have a red and yellow edge and we're putting it on the left corner. So it's basically the same thing, it's just one goes to one side, one area, and the other goes to the other area. So yeah, so I'll be doing that very quickly. I'm just gonna get my cube and just solve it into position. Sorry about that. Okay, so in my example, it's not exactly the same as it is in the pictures, but that's okay. Here I have a orange and yellow edge, and in the steps that I said, find an edge that doesn't have a green piece on it, make sure it's in the optimal position. The optimal position is where the colors match the center and the edge. So for example, if I had a yellow and orange edge, but the yellow was here instead of here, then that wouldn't work. So the way to put this in, you basically have to take it out. So here you take it out, and then put down the blue, take out the blue corner, put up the blue, and then now you see we have a paired up pair, you can call it. And then from there, I think similar to how you paired up the corners yesterday, you can just pair it up, moving the pair out, putting down the blue, and then putting it in like that. Now, scenarios where the corner is not in the optimal position, that is when, as I mentioned before, this is a red and white edge. The red edge is matched with the white center, which is not supposed to be where it's supposed to go. It's supposed to have the white part of the edge with the white center, so this is wrong. And then another scenario is here where the edge is like the right edge, but it's like placed wrong, or like it was just placed like that, like you didn't do anything and it was just already there. So I'll go through how to fix that. So again, I will create a scenario for myself where this happens. Okay. Sorry, hold on. Okay, so like this, for example, you just have to make sure it matches with the color. So this is a yellow and red edge, and you can see it's not paired here, but if you move it to here, then it's paired. The only difference now is that it might be opposite. So like, because sometimes you have to pair on the left, sometimes you have to pair on the right. Just know that when you pair either on the left or right, it's very symmetrical to each other. So I think it's pretty intuitive, but anyways, I'll describe this again. So you take out the red, you put down the side where you're gonna put it in. So here, yellow and red side. So you take down this part. You move this out. Yeah, okay. You move it out so that when you bring it up again, you pair up these two. And then afterwards, you just, as I said, how to pair up the corners yesterday, you just take out the pair, put this part down, put in the pair, and then put it up like that. And then another scenario where this is opposite. All you have to do is just repeat the corner steps over and over again until you can get it to the right orientation. So for the corner steps, you just had to take out the corner and then pair it in again, but just making sure that this edge, or you can see in the picture, it's the same color in this case, is taken out. So I did this kind of fast, so I'll do it one more time. It's like this. All you have to do is just take out and then pair it in with like another edge or something, just anything that isn't the yellow, the orange and white edge. So you can see now the white and orange edge is here and here. So all you have to do is just bring this down, move it out, bring it up so that the pair is put in, and then just insert the pair that you would a corner. So again, from my point of view, it's kind of hard, but if it's on the left side, you take it out to the right where the edge is here. Bring down the side, left or right side where it's going to go in. Move the corner that the edge goes with out. Put it up so that it matches. And then insert it how you would a corner. This tutorial was a little bit shorter, but hopefully you guys got the gist of everything. Again, any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.